In today's video, let me show you how to sign up for chess.com. Chess.com is an internet chess server which allows you to play chess online, and along with that, it is also a news website and a social networking website. So if you also want to create an account of chess.com, then make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Now first of all, open up your web browser and search for chess.com, and it's going to take you to the official website. Now to create an account and start playing, you can see a sign up button on the bottom left of the screen. You can just click on it and this sign up page will open up. First of all, you need to create your username, type in your email address and then create a password. Once you type in all this information, you'll need to choose the level of chess skill that you have. Choose your skill and then click on sign up, or you can also choose to sign up using your Apple ID, Google account or your Facebook account. This way you just need to click on these buttons and select your accounts and you'll be immediately signed up. So you don't need to create your password using this process. Once you fill in this information, click on sign up. And as easy as that, you have been now successfully signed up for chess.com. Now you can start playing on this platform. So that's how easily you can sign up for chess.com. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe, share and also give this video a thumbs up. I'm gonna be back soon with more informative videos just like this. Thanks for watching.